Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable screen flash notification on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular one right there, if I turn on screen flash and I click on preview, boom, you have a screen flash. This happens each time you receive a notification call or you receive a message from the app or anything. You notice that your screen is going to dim just like this, and with that you know that you have an important information on your phone at that moment. Let me show you on how to turn on this flash screen on your Android phone. So I'm going to go ahead and exit from here and start all over from the beginning. So with that, we want to make sure we navigate to settings on our phone. We scroll down right here, we proceed to notification tab, and then scroll down right here. You want to make sure you proceed to flash notification right here, and then come down below right here, turn on this, and then you can check on the preview. You are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.